The process starts with raw timber. Storage preserves consistency. Material enters the line. Precision begins at the cut. Uniformity is essential.
Size defines safety.
Order reduces risk.
Defects are removed early.
Dryness prevents disaster.
Moisture is the enemy.
The wood is now ready.
The most critical step approaches.
One mistake here can burn everything.
Synchronization prevents accidents.
This mixture must stay exact.
Uniform contact is critical.
Thickness decides stability.
Consistency is built in layers. Evenness reduces risk.
Wet heads never stop. Drying controls reaction.
Heat is measured precisely.
Moisture must fully leave.
Safety stands ready.
Touch confirms timing.
Final drying begins.
The heads are stable. Uniformity is confirmed. The next risk zone awaits. Now ignition control begins. Sire control shifts to the box.
This formula must stay exact.
Too thick or thin changes everything.
Machines prepare for precision. Even contact prevents sparks.
Control comes in layers.
Grip is engineered.
Drying prevents reaction.
Heat is carefully limited.
Human eyes still matter.
Errors are isolated early.
Stability is locked in. The surface is now safe.
Friction is measured.
Alignment prevents misfires.
Components finally meet.
Discipline keeps order. Discipline keeps order.
Now fire meets form.
This is where separation ends.
Uniform bundles reduce friction.
Direction matters here.
Precision replaces chance.
Quantity is controlled.
Excess creates risk.
Stability prevents movement.
Containment is secured. Pressure is carefully limited.
Protection stands ready. Human checks remain vital.
Movement stays gentle.
Position prevents contact.
Even static is controlled.
Flow is regulated.
Identity comes next.
Oversight never stops.
Now the product takes its final form. Consistency begins at the source. Placement must be exact.
Machines confirm accuracy.
Adhesion prevents failure. Clarity builds trust. Errors never move forward. Protection comes next.
Form is secured.
Cooling locks shape.
Quantity is verified.
Pressure is controlled.
Checks remain constant.
Scale begins here.
Structure takes form. Volume stays balanced.
Containment is complete.
Distribution comes next.
Scale demands structure.
Foundations matter.
Repetition creates reliability.
Accuracy is verified constantly.
Separation prevents collapse.
A unit is complete.
Movement must be secured.
Pressure is calculated.
Human checks remain.
Logistics take over.
Flow never stops.
Space is optimized.
Records stay live.
Storage bridges production and demand.
Planning guides movement.
The next journey begins.
Dispatch comes next.
Production meets distribution. Timing aligns precisely. Alignment prevents loss. Surfaces must meet evenly.
Safety is verified again.
Movement stays controlled. Movement stays controlled.
Balance protects cargo.
Repetition builds efficiency.
Nothing is left loose.
Numbers must match.
The transfer ends.
Responsibility changes hands.
Records complete the move.
Final checks matter.
The journey continues.
Scale moves outward.
The factory releases its work.
Distribution extends the factory's reach. Stability protects every load.
Timing meets coordination. Precision repeats everywhere.
The journey continues inside.
Verification never stops.
Flow adapts to demand.
Storage balances supply.
Demand shapes direction.
Scale adjusts locally.
Efficiency repeats. Delivery approaches.
Distance shortens.
Networks keep products moving.
The final mile begins.
The factory hands off to retail.
Handling remains controlled.
Condition is verified again.
Visibility matters at every step.
Supply waits for demand.
The product reaches its destination.
Retail prepares the display.
Order meets presentation.
Small details build trust. The journey becomes invisible. Consistency reflects control.
The process completes quietly.
The final chapter approaches.
The journey enters daily life.
Invisible systems stay active.
Production meets purpose.
One motion activates it all.
Control makes fire useful.
Stability proves the process.
Safety ends every cycle.
The object rests again.
The source remains unseen.
Discipline never leaves the floor.
Risk is controlled to the end. Silence follows precision.
Completion waits patiently.
Small objects carry large systems.
Responsibility is built in.
And this is how modern factories produce safety matches from start to finish.